The impact of climate change on ice is simple. Basically, air temperatures are warming and changing, and these changes are happening much faster up north. Working with the students in this challenging environment is actually fun. Students will take away a lot from this experiential learning and being out in the field. Ice are forming later in the season and melting earlier in the season. The lake is changing in physical, chemical, and biological processes. So this will change the traditional way of living, the hunting, the migration of animals, and even fish within the lake. Laurier has a partnership with the Northwest Territories to work with the community on their needs. Students are the main part of the research. They are the one that they shape the project and results.
I use a combination of satellite imagery with numerical models just to understand when lakes would begin to freeze, when they will melt, as well as the thickness they would have over about 500 lakes in the region.
The focus of my research is looking at snow's characteristics and how it influences lake ice development spatially across the lake. So that's incorporating things like ground-penetrating radar, remotely piloted aircraft systems, and looking at things like snow depth and snow density.
I normally work behind a computer, but having the opportunity to come onto the land and see it in action is impressive.
I enjoy the challenges as much as I enjoy some of the cool experiences you get to have, so traveling long distances on snow machines, but also seeing things that most people don't get to see.
If you're a student who wants to come here and have research which impacts the community, I think Laurier is a good place where you can come and achieve that.
There's just so many great opportunities to work hands-on.
We get to collaborate in these communities or with these community members that I think many institutions don't get to do, and that's what really makes Laurier special.
Environmental changes are fast and complex.
It's important and inspiring for us to be able to find a solution.